Hi. Hi everyone. I'm John Casio Garito, a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English students. I'm here to discuss about the language properties. The question is how language contributes to human leverage in compared to other species. The language gives important contribution for us to have the ability to transfer complex information, to discuss the meaning of the events and possible outcomes of alternative actions, and to share feelings in all ideas. All of this is impossible without language. Number two, differentiate the different properties of language from one another. Modularity is using a set of component subsystem to interpret language, while the constituency gives a language balance of structures and flexibility. Constituent can be replaced by other constituent, but you can replace a constituent with a series of words that is not constituent, while recursion is the property of language which allows grammatically process to be applied repeatedly, combining constituent to produce infinite variety of sentence of indefinite length. Discreteness. It is the range of sounds that human being can make is continuous, while productivity is a language that you have copied up from someone, or the language that is new to someone, or the language or words that you have learned from someone. Arbitrariness. A property of language with few expectation words. The words have no principle or systematic connection with what they mean. While the resilience on context, it is the language property that interprets the meaning of the entire utterance. And lastly, the variability, one of the most important and admirable property of language. It is also known as the difference or diversity. Without variation in sound frequency, there would be no language and no sound. What does this line means? Language varieties differs because over time they had adapt to the differing needs of speech communities. As generation pass by, indeed all of us learn more new words in speech communities because language is infinite. The more we live, the more we learn new words from year to year. Each language does differently. All? Nope. All language and language varieties are equal. It is equally functional. And the dominant group preserved to have higher status and less powerful group are stigmatized as incorrect or bad. Do you agree or disagree about this statement? For me, I agreed because the dominant group is commonly used to all of us, and it's important to us for us to have a better language and communication. And that's all for our discussion, and hope we will see you next week.